Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are using Tumblr and now you want to link your Instagram profile to your blog so that visitors can find and follow you, this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it within just a few minutes. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, we need to copy our Instagram profile link. For that, launch your Instagram mobile application and log in into your account. Then tap on your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Over here you will see the share profile option. So once you tap on this option, you will see the option of share profile. So tap on it and it will show you the link of your profile in front of you. So you just have to use that and you need to copy that link. You can even directly tap on the copy link option from here and you are done with the first step. Now once this is done, you need to launch your Tumblr application just like so and then log in into your account. Now you can add this link to your profile. So tap on the profile option in the bottom right hand corner of the screen and over here tap on this pencil icon. Now tap on this clip icon in the bottom and here you need to paste the link that you have copied from your Instagram account. So this is the link that I have copied and now tap on the post option in the top right hand corner of the screen. If you want to add any tags into it, you can do that as well. But for this video, I'm going to keep it as it is and tap on the post option. So this way you will be able to link your Instagram profile or your Instagram account to your Tumblr account. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.